Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are going to do a walk around, startup, and a drive video for you on this 1966 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport convertible that we just got in. Now this is a real Super Sport car. Beautiful red paint on the car. Original interior in the car, black interior, bucket seats, factory center console. The third digit is an 8, so that does designate this car as a true super sport car. You'll see it sitting on the rally wheels with the caps and rings. Coker red line tires. Interior is very, very nice. Seats are in great shape. Door panels are nice, sun visors. The convertible top is in great shape. It's got a new top on it. Door jambs are very nice. .327 engine under the hood. Automatic transmission, 79,000 miles. The miles are presumed to be actual. I got this car from a really good friend of mine. I buy quite a few cars from him. Just a great guy. And we always get very, very good cars from him. So, spackle painted inside the trunk. Nice trunk mat. Spare tire, jack, and tools are there. Chrome bumpers are in good shape. You can see a little bit of fine pitting on there. You can kind of see there what I'm talking about. I'd say this is a very, very nice driver car. Is it perfect? No, but it's very, very nice. And when I say is it perfect, I mean, I'm saying, I'll show you a couple little chips. It's got one little chip right there. Let's see. Got one little rock chip right there. Just minor little things. Oh, it's got a couple small little scratch, one little scratch right there, and one little scratch right there. You know, I mean, that's what I'm saying. Is it perfect? No. This car runs and drives very, very nice, very presentable, super clean. Whoever buys this car is going to have a lot of fun with it. And you'll see, yes, it does have Caprice taillights in it. Those were, actually, a Caprice was actually an upgrade. So I had another Impala here a while back that had Caprice taillights in it, and everyone was giving me a hard time because it had Caprice taillights. Well, I honestly like them better, so if the guy wants to change them and put them back, you could. But I just wanted to clarify that I already know that those are Caprice taillights. There's your jams. Your door panels, your doors, door gaps, panel fitment's nice on the car. Very, very cleanliness wise, clean underneath the hood. Exhaust manifolds are nice. Engine's painted up real nice. Air cleaner looks nice. Say power steering and brakes. Gorgeous car. I really love this thing. I'm going to price this car, I think, very fairly. I was thinking $43,900, somewhere in that vicinity. Got the right key. Let's see. There we go. Look at that. Been sitting in here. Been sitting here all night and haven't started it yet. It starts right up. The cold light works. Right headlight indicator. Left turn. Right turn. Wipers. motor defrost work. It's a nice, clean, straight car, too. You can look down the sides of it. Like we got a bulb, turn signal ball out up front and one headlight. Usually the headlights, you wiggle the wires and they seem like they work again. Yep, see? It's got a loose wire there. Sometimes you go down the road and they kind of shake loose. Always a few little bugs to work off these cars, you know. It seems like you always got a light or two that needs to be fixed. Yeah, both front turn signals need to be looked at. Back ones are working just fine. Probably just need a couple walls. Say exhaust sounds great, great looking car. Don't see any bubbles or blisters down below. Let's take her out for a spin. So you can see how nice the quality of the paint is. The glass is in good shape. It's got a few small wiper marks in this area. I mean, if you get the right light, you can kind of see it, but nothing that's going to affect you know, your visibility or driving the car. But I just try to point everything out to you guys that I possibly can. This is a super good car. Gotta get my sunglasses. Turn that blower motor off. Man, 4th of July weekend coming up this weekend. Somebody buys this car in the next couple days, they can be cruising in style this weekend. Gas gauge works, speedometer works. What a nice running, driving car. Beautiful day to have the top down here. Summer day in Iowa. Man, I tell you, it just doesn't get much better. Brakes work good, stops nice. By the way, I really appreciate appreciate everyone watching my videos, subscribing to our channel. I appreciate every one of my subscribers. Always trying to get more subscribers. Get the word out there of what we do here at Kinion Classics and how we treat people and the quality of the cars that we have. I'm the type of person that whether the car is $5,000 or $105,000, I want it to be quality. So that's what I focus on. That's what we do here at Kinion's. And yeah, you'll see there's a couple lights that weren't working on this car, and they will get fixed. If anybody is looking for a job or looking to hire another mechanic to work on these classic cars, someone that actually knows how to tune a carburetor, adjust the timing, adjust the valves, knows how to work on drum brakes. What a gorgeous car. Sounds great, looks great, runs great. Very, very nice. 66 Impala convertible. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. Kinion auto.com. And we buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, pickup trucks, specialty vehicles every day. So if you're looking for something, give us a call. Got something to sell, give us a call. And for sure, give us a call on this gorgeous 66 Impala, because, you know, in the low 40s, this car won't be around long. Where are you going to buy a car that looks that nice, this clean, that runs that good for in the low to mid 40s? Again, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Give us a call today. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks to our subscribers. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.